Hi everybody, Allison here. doTERRA has come up with a new order type, and I want to show you how to take advantage of that, how you'd use it, and why you would use it. So I have logged into my account here, you can see me there, and I'm going to click on Shop and scroll down here, and you can see I have my loyalty order set up. So when you have your loyalty order set up, sometimes you want to do something like order the BOGOs, or just maybe order something you're going to send to your mom or your friend. And you'd like to earn points on it, you want to earn the free shipping on it, but you don't want to mess with your existing loyalty order. So now you can create an instant rewards order. This is a one-time order, but it counts as a loyalty order. So it counts towards promotions, it counts towards your qualifications if you're doing Power of 3, things like that. And if it's the correct amount, you'll be able to earn free shipping and points on it. So as you can see, it's telling me here, I'm now editing an instant rewards order. So I know this is a one-time order, not going to mess up with my other order. My other order will process just like it's supposed to. Okay, so now I'm going to shop. I can do this either by searching for a product, like, that new Vineyard Escape oil, and maybe I'll put that in, add that to my bag. And maybe I want an Amazon Escape oil, and maybe I want the Hygge. There we go. Maybe I want the Hygge. Add it to my bag. And now I'm going to look at my bag here. I'm going to review my order. And you can see these are all items that are limited time items. And I don't have to add something that's going to stay in my cart because this cart is going to go away after I use it. Now that I've done this, it's telling me, okay, so I do not earn the free product of the month. I've already earned it this month anyway, so I couldn't get it. But it does tell me, because it's at least 50 PV, I've earned LRP points. It's 100 PV, so I've got free shipping. And then, of course, there's other promos that it'll tell you about that you could earn. So this is, again, in addition to my regular order. Now, you can see here, if I take out this product, now I am going to qualify for points because it's over 50 PV. But I'm not going to get the free shipping. I do get the discounted shipping because it's a loyalty order that's over 50. So only $3.99 for the shipping. Anyway, and then I just would proceed to check out after I put in my information and where I'm going to send it, and off we go. So it's very simple to use. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to answer them.